When we manufacture things, we often don't think about the packaging process at the end of the line. Often this can be a breeding ground for inefficiency. The time it takes to go and find the equipment, lay out the process and the job in batches is largely inefficient. If we think about the value-added steps in the packaging process, they are placing the product in the packaging and adding the required label. All the other activities involved in this process are what's called non-value-added activities. These non-value-added activities cause the total packing time to be longer. Your teams may be busy, but when you watch them, how long are they actually spending on the value-added tasks? You'll find that it's the MVA walking, laying items out, preparing for the next batch of work, getting equipment and so on, which causes the biggest losses in time. In fact, in a packaging process, it can be as much as 95% of the process time. By stripping these wasteful steps out, you can vastly shorten the time it takes to pack the products. And when you reduce the process time, you increase the ability to process with no extra resource. Watch your packing process for 10 minutes or so. Look for the MVA steps. What activities can you remove and what things can you change to ensure the packaging process is moving from value-add step to value-add step with little MVA in between. Look to flow your value-add activities in a flow line approach. And call us at TXM